What does it take to become a billionaire? Beyond the wealth they've amassed, billionaires often possess valuable insights and lessons that have guided them on their journey to success. Here are 10 life lessons we can learn from their experiences. Incorporating these 10 life lessons into your own journey can pave the way for greater fulfillment, success, and impact. Remember, the path to becoming a billionaire begins with embracing the mindset and habits of those who've walked this path before. Lesson 1: Dream big and take risks. Billionaires dare to dream big and aren't afraid to take risks. They understand that great success often requires stepping outside of one's comfort zone and embracing uncertainty. Lesson 2: Embrace failure as a learning opportunity. Failure is not the end, but rather a stepping stone on the path to success. Billionaires embrace failure as a valuable learning opportunity, using setbacks to fuel their determination and resilience. Lesson 3: Give back and make a difference. True wealth extends beyond financial gain. Billionaires understand the importance of giving back to their communities and making a positive impact on the world around them. Lesson 4: Prioritize health and well-being. Without health, wealth means little. Billionaires prioritize their physical and mental well-being, recognizing that a healthy lifestyle is essential for sustained success. Lesson 5: Seek mentorship and continuous learning. Even the most successful individuals understand the value of mentorship and lifelong learning. Billionaires surround themselves with knowledgeable mentors and remain open to new ideas and perspectives. Lesson 6: Persevere in the face of adversity. Obstacles are inevitable on the road to success. Billionaires possess an unwavering determination to persevere through challenges, refusing to let setbacks derail their aspirations. Lesson 7: Maintain integrity and ethical standards. Integrity is the foundation of trust in both business and personal relationships. Billionaires adhere to high ethical standards, recognizing that honesty and transparency are essential for long-term success. Lesson 8: Find balance and manage stress. In the fast-paced world of entrepreneurship, finding balance is crucial. Billionaires prioritize self-care and stress management techniques, ensuring they have the resilience to navigate challenges with clarity and focus. Lesson 9: Surround yourself with great people. Success is rarely achieved alone. Billionaires build strong teams comprised of talented individuals who share their vision and complement their strengths, fostering a culture of collaboration and innovation. Lesson 10: Cherish relationships and stay grounded. Amidst the pursuit of wealth and success, billionaires understand the importance of cherishing relationships with loved ones. They remain grounded, never losing sight of what truly matters in life.